A Toro lawn mower that won't start can usually be fixed in under 5 minutes by securing the spark plug wire, clearing a flooded engine, and verifying fresh fuel is reaching the carburetor. These quick checks resolve the vast majority of starting failures without needing any specialized tools or mechanic visits. The most common culprit is a disconnected or loose spark plug wire. Locate the thick black wire hanging near the front of the engine block and push the rubber boot firmly onto the spark plug tip until it clicks. A loose connection prevents the engine from getting the electrical spark required for ignition. A flooded engine or a choked air intake will also stop the mower dead. Remove the plastic air filter cover on the side of the engine and inspect the paper filter. If it is soaked in oil or packed with heavy debris, the engine cannot breathe properly and the filter must be tapped clean or replaced entirely. Stale fuel sitting in the tank for over 30 days loses its combustibility and clogs the carburetor bowl. Drain out the old gas using a siphon pump and refill the tank with fresh, ethanol-free fuel. Prime the engine by pushing the flexible primer bulb exactly 3 times to force the new gas directly into the carburetor. The safety control bar cable must be fully engaged to release the engine brake and activate the ignition switch. Pull the metal bar firmly against the handle and inspect the cable running down to the engine for any severe kinks or snaps. If the cable is loose or broken, the mower is physically locked from starting and requires a replacement cable.